Welcome back, everyone. Today is episode 5 of the BTARTBOX series. Don't worry, I will definitely continue to review BTARTBOX products. It has become one of my favorites. With that said, let's get into this unboxing of the BTARTBOX X-Coat Black French Tips. I will also create a nail design at the end using the products featured in today's video. I will leave links to all products used in the description box below. Feast your eyes on this gorgeous set. The X-Coat Tips is a 3-in-1 soft gel system consisting of 150 pieces in 15 sizes in a clear nude French. The tips are black and give a little edginess to this set. The instructions to application can be found on the back of box as well as inside. I chose to use the Duo French kit to apply tips. I think it worked out better than the last time. The more I practice, it seems to be getting better each try. Let me know how your experience has been using this particular set. I would love to read your comments and suggestions.
With you all night long, dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
Let's get to the fun part. I wanted to think of a design that would give this set a summer vibe and give the set a pop of color. I saw a design on Pinterest of a really cute bee. I wanted to see if I could actually recreate it. I would love to hear your feedback on the design I did today, and if you have any other nail designs you would like for me to attempt. So sit back and relax and enjoy the nail creation.
So fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
And there you have it, the BTARTBOX X-Coat Black French Tip with a bee nail design. I am absolutely in love with how these turned out. The quality of the product is fantastic and the design is just too cute to resist, if I say so myself. That's it for episode 5 of our product review and unboxing series. But don't worry, we have our last and final video of the series coming up soon, and I hope you will join me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more nail art content. Remember to leave me any suggestions for future videos. Until next time, stay fabulous.
In the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly.